Now let's look at this question here, and it says, now what is the average velocity of the sprinter whose velocity time graph is shown above? Now here is the velocity time graph. Pardon me, for it is not drawn to scale. Okay, all right. Now how then do we calculate the average velocity? And let us take note that distance equals average speed or average velocity times time. So which implies that the average velocity here, average velocity equals to total distance all over time. Okay, then for us now to get the actual value here, now what we need to do now is to calculate the total distance, and the total distance here is the total area of the diagram. That is the area under the velocity time graph. So this should be velocity in meter per second and the time in second. Okay, so to this end, you can see this shape takes the shape of a trapezium, which will be half into a plus b times height, then all over. Now the total time here, now we have to calculate that. That is from 0 to here, that will be 2. Then from here to here, this is 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, now plus another 2. So which means this is 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be 10. That will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright, now to that end, so it means all here is what? 10. Now our A, our B, then our height. Our height here is, so that will be 10. So here we have the average speed will now be 1 over 2. Then our A here, that will be from here to here, that will be 2, 4, 6. That will be 6 plus our B, which is from here to here, which is 10. Then times 10 all over 10. So here this time we'll cancel this, so we are left with 1 all over 2. It will be 16. 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So here we have 8.0 meter per second. So C is the right answer. Alright, thank you.